The U.S. has, of course, appointed an ambassador of the United States to Canada. And that person is yet to take up their post, but one of the things that they have asked for is for Canada's policy on China to be made clear. And they say they're still waiting. Are you still waiting for Canada's policy on China to be clear?
No, I think that every time we've wanted to work with Canada on an issue around China, we found that it's worked extremely well, and we found that the UK and Canada have worked well together on this. So, by way of example, a couple of things we've done recently on China. So the UN-led discussions, the UK-led discussions at the UN to hold China accountable for abuses of human rights in Xinjiang, and Canada was right alongside us in support of that. And we've also recently brought in human rights sanctions for those same things that we've seen in Xinjiang. Canada's taken the same steps. So I think that we would say we work very well with Canada on China, and that we see our approach to China as very similar.
There are some areas where